Charlie. Charlie's at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. Come here, Charlie. Charlie's brand new. Yeah, it's a little scary sometimes in a brand new place with a brand new person putting a box in front of your face, huh? Oh, Charlie, you're a handsome boy. Oh, my goodness, I can tell that this is scaring you a little bit. You're a little timid in new situations. Okay, Charlie. I know you were letting me pet you before. Oh, sweetie. We take good care of you until we find you your nice, quiet home, okay? Yeah. I know. I know, Charlie. Bye-bye, boy. Bye-bye, boy.